In this video, we're going to look at the network days function, and we're going to explore what it does and how we can use it. Alright, so the network days function, it is used to calculate the number of working days between a start date and an end date, and it can also receive an optional parameter that specifies the holidays that are within that date range, and those holidays can be deducted from the total number of work days. So to demonstrate how to use this function, I've created a table right here with the months from 2021, and I've added the start date and the end date, and we're going to use this function network days to calculate how many working days we will have in 2021. And for this example, I'm assuming that everyone is working from Monday to Friday with Saturday and Sunday off. And because my audience is from a range of different countries, we're going to add some fictive bank holidays over here, and we're going to see how those affect the calculations. So let's start. Going to the cell D4, and I'm going to calculate for January network days. I'm selecting the first parameter, the start date and the end date, and if we hit enter right here, the whole table is going to be populated, and just like that we have all the Monday to Fridays calculated for 2021. And if we make a sum over here, we have 261 working days in 2021. And now I'm going to edit this function, and we're going to include the bank holidays that I was talking about. So for this, I just added a comma over here, and you can see that already this optional parameter has appeared over here, and we have to select a range of cells. So I'm going to select G4 to G8 or G10, just like that, and we're going to hit enter. And right now, because this is empty, we're not going to have we're going to have the same number of working days, but let me add the 15th of January 2021 in here. Keep an eye on cell D4, and you see that one working day has been deducted from there. Let me also add the 16th of January or the 25th, and just like that, I have these two bank holidays deducted from the original number. I'm just going to add some more dates, and you see how these are affecting the network days function. And that's it. You can go ahead and calculate your working days for 2021. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new with this video. Now, if you've reached the end of the video, I want to thank you for watching, and if you could please do me a favor and hit the like button and leave a comment below with your feedback for this video. It will help me a lot with the channel, and it will also help me reach more people in the future. And by the way, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please check out the description of this video. I have a link right there to a playlist full of Microsoft Excel videos just like this one. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.